Good morning. It is Monday, and I'm starting a new week of what I packed for my husband's lunch. Just wanted to mention, I'm sure everybody knows, that this week, you guys are seeing this afterwards, after the fact, is Thanksgiving. So Matt is obviously going to be home for, with us Thursday, and also Friday he decided to take off just because I think he really just needs a recharge, being that he works manual labor literally every day and is also nonstop on the weekends helping friends, doing things around the house. And we were talking about it and couldn't remember the last time he took like a long weekend. And one of the perks of being self-employed is that you are able to do that. So there's only going to be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday lunches. And then obviously Thursday is Thanksgiving. So what I'll probably do is throw in some clips from our Thanksgiving dinner. We already had Friendsgiving, and then we're going to have Thanksgiving with family Thursday. So I'll throw in clips from that. And then Friday, hopefully I will remember. I might have to write myself a note. I will try and remember to show you what we have for lunch. It may likely just be leftovers from Thanksgiving, but if not, I will try and remember to show you what that is. But anyways, back to the task at hand. It's Monday, and I'm packing him a strawberry purified, like flavored water. These are from Market 32, formerly Price Chopper. An Arnold Palmer Light half and half iced tea lemonade, and of course, as always, the water cooler. Like I mentioned, we had our Friendsgiving yesterday. We got together with about 10 of our friends and had the traditional turkey, stuffing, potatoes, green bean casserole, that kind of thing. So everybody got to take leftovers, which was great. So I took some homemade stuffing that the host made, some turkey, some green bean casserole, and just put it in this container for him to heat up. I have to grab a fork and a spoon. I'm going to give him one of these layered Greek chocolate yogurt or chocolate orange yogurts here. He's had these before and liked them. I did have to go to BJ's this past weekend as well, and I did see these. I've never seen them there before. I used to get these at Walmart. If you guys have been watching for a long time, I used to get these at Walmart, but they only came in like a box of 4, I think, of 4 of these. Maybe it was 5, but anyways, BJ's had them, I think, in a 12, I want to say a 12 pack. I could be wrong. It could be a 10 pack, but it was obviously bigger than the normal quantity. So he's definitely going to love these. A Pringle cheddar cheese, like individual cup, and then a banana. And that's everything for today. I'm going to pack up the cooler, and we will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Good morning. It's Tuesday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him a Propel Zero Sugar Kiwi Strawberry water. I got a case of these at BJ's. It's like a variety pack with mixed berry, kiwi, strawberry, and I think grape. So I really like these a lot. I've been drinking them since they first came out. Also a Great Value ginger ale, which is just like a dupe for Canada Dry or Schweppes. Butter bread sandwich here, PB&J, just crunchy peanut butter, strawberry jelly, super easy. Love a PB&J every once in a while. I did make a big batch of my loaded potato salad last night. I do have a whole video on this. I'll link it down below. The reason I made it last night was because we are having it today, the next day for dinner, with just some hot dogs and a tossed salad. So I wanted to make it the night before so it could have the whole day to set and get really cold. So we also have just a mandarin like cutie orange that I just peeled, so it's just easy for him to eat on break. Some of these classic Italian rainbow cake bites that I showed you guys, I think, yesterday. Very delicious if you like the little Italian rainbow cookies. They're really tasty. And then a Sargento sharp cheddar cheese stick. I also grabbed these at BJ's. By the way, these do come in other flavors. This is like their main one, but I've seen like blueberry, lemon, and I know they have other ones too, so just a heads up. But yeah, that's what he is taking today, and we'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Hey guys, it's Wednesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. It is the day before Thanksgiving, so as a reminder, there won't be a normal packed lunch tomorrow because it's obviously a holiday. So I will put in whatever footage from Thanksgiving that I can get. But today I'm giving him a Propel. This is the berry flavored water, a Dr. Thunder, which is like a Walmart dupe, obviously for Dr. Pepper. We had hot dogs last night, so I always make extra, so we've got a couple hot dogs that are already cooked. Obviously, he just needs to heat them up. Some hot dog buns, some mustard, and ketchup. I just have to throw like a spoon or something in the cooler so he can put the condiments on. We've got some more of my loaded potato salad that I showed you yesterday, I think. So he's gonna have that. We actually had this together last night for dinner. Some sour cream and onion Pringles individual cup, a mandarin cutie orange, and a banana. And that's what's going on today, and we will see you tomorrow, but not with the lunch. Hey guys, so it's Sunday morning, the actual day you'll be seeing this, and I totally forgot to film lunch on Friday. I've just been really busy all week since Thanksgiving. I'm sure most of you guys have, whether it's family in town or just kids are home from school or a combination of both. But anyways, most of you guys know I do my food / meal prep stuff on Sundays to get ready for the work week. And I used to do those types of videos on my channel. So I do have a playlist of all the ones that I have done previously. I don't do those anymore, but I thought to end this video so it wouldn't just end abruptly, I would just show you a few of the things that I just got done doing. So the first thing is we had about 1.5 pounds of turkey breast from Thanksgiving left. I already used the dark meat and the bones to do like a turkey soup. So with the white meat, the breast, I just made a turkey salad. So just like chicken salad, but obviously turkey, crunchy celery, red onion, salt and pepper, mayo, very simple. So I've got about 1.5 pounds of that in here. So we'll use that for, you know, the work week when I'm home, because I do work from home and I can pack it for Matt for lunch. I also went to BJ's this morning. Let me grab the broccoli. So at BJ's I got 3 pounds of, I think it was actually 4 pounds of peppers. So I did cut some of them up. I do a lot of veggie prep, but I don't like to do too much because I like when peppers are nice and like really crispy. So this is just 2 red peppers and a green pepper, a huge green pepper that I have, and this is like an 8-cup container. So I just did like pepper slices. I got these at BJ's today. They're so good. They're like candy. They taste, they're just very sweet. They're the Cherub like little cherry tomatoes. They're delicious. So I got a big thing of those. I got a huge bag of broccoli florets. I love these. They're already washed, prepped, cut, and everything. And then I just cut up whatever carrots I had left and put it in this like 32-ounce ball jar or mason jar. And I store my carrots. I just peel them and cut them into sticks, and I always store them in cold water in a jar. They just stay nice and crisp that way. And I also found at BJ's this Sabra roasted red pepper hummus singles box. It is 12 of the hummus, you know, packs. And these are great for a snack. So again, just simple stuff that I wanted to share since it is technically lunch related, because like all these veggies or something, I would put like a handful of these, a handful of these, some carrots and some broccoli. I actually like raw broccoli and hummus, and make like a veggie plate, you know, for something for lunch for myself for the week. And of course I'll be packing, you know, turkey salad for Matt, and I'll have turkey salad too. I think I'm actually gonna have this in like a romaine lettuce wrap, so it's like nice and crispy with the turkey inside. But yeah, these are just little things that I've been working on food prep wise, and wanted to just end the video this way. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.